I just wanted to share a couple of things, guys. I've replaced the passenger side engine mount toward that side of the vehicle, and my NVH has improved. So NVH meaning noise, vibration, harshness. I've noticed that going over bumps, it doesn't feel as harsh. So on my commute, there are a lot of cracks, expansion joints in the pavement, and the car just goes over them so much more smoothly now. Also noticed that the actual engine noise is reduced. And the last thing is really strange, and that is I thought that I had a vibration coming from a possibly bent wheel, and that's been improved as well. So it just goes to show you replacing an engine mount can actually fix a lot of things, and a lot of potential problems that you might be having with any vehicle could be caused by a bad engine mount. So if your tires are balanced, and you can verify that by taking them to a tire shop and rebalancing them, you know your drive shafts are in good shape, you know your coil packs are all working correctly, then your engine mount may be your final option. It may be the issue that's causing all of the problems you're having with noise, vibration, or harshness, going over bumps, things like that. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching.